Shot me, oh. Now what do I do? My face show.
You only hear matter. I want to see the truth. Cross, wa ona me matter the matter. No for was Zegbe. Who's Zegbe? President, what happened? Use English talk. I'm everybody for here.
A prince, I so much regard you. The way we are respecting. La platform in any go. I understand. You know, soon my brother. You got daughter.
Use English talk. I'm for carry everybody along.
Nah, my goddaughter. Now the matter happen to you. They get me? Yeah, normal level. So now squad don't be say you also they call me bros based on the way our relationship used to be. You understand me?
Yeah.
So now one dirty Natasha idiot girl like that. Now I'm still my friend before, former friend. So now that one platform that we used to do based on when you still come for work in the evening. How are you Arevani? How are you Atalo? How are you Agi? Understand? We make a joke here. We just be joke. Yeah. So now so this guy whether now was as FA. Now, so so when they dance, so now make the matter be like this. So I don't know if voice call when that my daughter sent give this Osasefe. Now so the guy
Osasefe now me cross. Next thing again, me
turn up your mouth.
Osasefe. Never reach your talk. Cross, let mute your side.
Don't please. When you go on when you are mute. Nothing head your retarded matter now.
Yes, assassin why and whatever the matter cause everybody.
Down baba guy so Osasefe na ra no or imagine the Osasefe na ra no ra the platform. So on a play the voice play the you can't play the message. Sorry, I switch from Benin to master me. So you can't play the record normal level. So now me call the paro where me they say bro not be so that they do something. If you are a person you won't get issue. You know me say you call the play a voice conversation where you will get for live video. It don't finish all these dirty idiot boys, they just start to the bros man I look me where I don't put my mate too. It's like see okay, not lucky one I get.
You don't collect their money, you know things like scam, nothing.
We should be collect their money. Okay, I collect my money now that news na cause it take home.
Okay, wait. Inside the talk, don't you want me to talk?
Baba man, you want to talk? I just did. I'm mad everywhere.
So that cross breathing matter called cross. Talk. Tell us what happened.
Hey, open your camera. If you are collect money, may open your camera.
Cross, open your camera. If you to
no
show.
No way. This one on my another account. He may access the camera.
La.
How many?
You go carry picture.
Oh, that's what he was carry camera. So you not say the boy that the accused show himself.
Nah. Himself.
See the alarm.
Himself. No, say I never reach. I know the. If I want to open,
no, please now.
Now you talk.
Carry people picture. You know what they do?
Okay.
Boss the code for you. Don't carry people. Baba Mutiana me explain the matter man will say.
President was a baby. We are going. We can see what going. Oh yeah, talk.
No, I talk by.
Speak English, no carry everybody along. Speak English, no carry everybody along.
No, put camera, me no agree.
No, you know why I told you. Wait, now, don't worry. Cross. You know, say he left. The whole world they watch everybody.
Exactly now.
Blackmail you now. The whole world they watch. In the sense, don't worry. So, Cross, talk,
bro. Because person first send this guy picture for me and the screenshot. If not lie, I'll still
shut up your mouth.
Wait, my talk now. When they talk, I don't talk.
Your snap, President. Now you say me not talk for your snap. Listen to that first.
Person said the girl one girl will be say he want back coin. You the guy so.
Yeah.
This guy can say in the sell coin. I mean, I felt to know this guy. Can say in the sell coins. Then this guy can
see coins with that one.
For TikTok gift now, don't see TikTok gift.
Okay.
TikTok. When they buy, when they recharge, maybe that one not fit go to back. This guy they already talk saying they sell coins for TikTok. The person can't send that money. Maybe say.
Why people gonna use one picture like this? Will be on this one again.
Now everybody know now. Everybody know bro now. Now just not allow they talk. Not be everybody. Not be picture. Everybody match.
This picture. Which picture? Why people they use this picture like?
Now this president. Now this president want they talk so. Now be this one so now.
This president, I get this picture when I
get this picture when then everybody just not allow they talk, bro.
Okay, most do that talk. Yeah, maybe talk your own first. Let's talk your own first.
Person can't tell me say this guy they sell coins. Then if say he send this guy money, may they send coins for her. He does send this guy money, almost €100. This guy called blocker. The guys he can't report to me. Don't even still report to people. He can't block. Me, I dey try
No,
to
please,
reach.
they check your comment section.
Wait, me, I dey try to reach this Presido. So all the message wey they send for me, I fit plan for you. Maybe na because I no fit plan for you. The guy dey try to reach am. This guy no dey reply me. No dey reply me. He can't get one day wey be say me and one girl can't get issue. Then they call that girl Vicky. As we get issue for one platform, I don't know how this guy can't take come outside. This guy just send request go to the platform. He say I got daughter be that one got daughter. Say where we go come dey follow that girl come dey get some kind issue because when be say the girl dey comment section we come dey talk some kind thing. He can't get one guy wey dey the platform as the girl enter the guy can't come down. Na me come measure the girl name say na because of this girl na that guy take come down. I don't know whether two of them fair get quarrel all those kind of things. The guy all come up, you all begin to insult everybody wey be say dey the platform. He come even dey send me message voice note. As he dey send me the voice note, me come dey say make me try lis ten to voice note wey send for me. I don't know say I no mute my side. You dey get so as I dey play the voice note, everybody come dey hear that voice note. And that voice note na insult. You come maybe as everybody dey inside this bus so. You dey send message dey give people, you dey insult. Na only one person offend you. You come dey insult everybody wey dey inside the bus. Say the host dey that day wey be say e dey the place when come bring all those nuisance come up. See everybody wey dey the bus say they no get sense, all those kind of things. We dey try to settle the matter. Say we wan tell the girl say no be so dey tell
The problem wey dey talk na the girl come complain give you say this guy he say 100 for her for coin, he no give am coin.
He no give am coin, he come block am.
Okay.
You dey get so.
So na let that one be the report na be.
That one will be the report and everybody wey be say this guy come dey insult for the boss.
Okay.
You dey get. He say nothing wey be say person go fit do am say na him be Presido. Na because he Presido.
No, Cross, may you still wait. Most interview this Osasefe. Osasefe, mute yourself.
God praise.
I greet you.
Thank you.
Make they open their camera.
Wait,
Na bros I call down. Make they
Then you
open
no
their
dey
camera.
talk na bros. If you dey talk for judge wey wan judge for your case, that case you go lose am.
You no go better for you. See Caro White. See your
Not dey
face.
swear, yeah, bro. Not swear for it. Not swear.
Caro White wey dey shame me. Don't use all of your face. See your
You
face
don't need
dey
to open
red.
camera, Nabi.
You understand me?
Bros,
Anybody wey say me I open camera, even though na comment section, I fit even insult the person. Come, me not to get character like that. You understand me? These
okay.
words,
Wetin happen for this matter? Wetin happen for this matter?
these words so to need to even insult me, insult people wey not dey, insult our junior call who get junior, insult our chairman journal, insult everybody. This boy need to come lead down. He go beg the whole world, beg everybody. You understand me? Because they no dey insult our chairman like that. We get junior.
Who be that chairman? Who be that chairman? Which where the dey?
No worry,
One
I
day
no fit
chairman.
talk everything for you.
I went wait about the chairman. Wait about the chairman. Larry.
Some girl get no one.
I won't wait about the chairman. Wait about the chairman. President, yeah, they go break your leg. Go. Yeah, happen to where? I won't wait about the chairman. Where work the chairman?
Ọwọ́ tí fún emu mi na mẹ́rin ọ̀pá ti sùn dà yẹn.
Okay, President, may I really ask you a question? The girl, meet yourself. The girl wey come meet you, wey say me have actress that na true.
Baba, before I continue, you know understand because we no fit come dey argue wetin no happen. Just tell them say if they bold. Let me say me open my camera so. You don't say they see me so.
Yeah.
On 117 how they watch you abi. Everybody, I believe say this 117 when they watch you so about 80 people really know me well. You say, you don't understand. So my face show me have two shine. May they use only one account. May I help mark one face now. That one be the caption. Because 4 people no fit say they come, they talk to them. They no fit open camera, come they talk.
Like I say, your face dey red. You can
Say you leave face where they red, my brother. Leave face where they red. You wait not for open camera. You want to accuse person. You dey hide. Bro, but they talk truth now. You now this guy now. If really say paper. If really say man, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, President. Unmute yourself.
Bros, na inside boss now dynamic car. No one make the noise.
The question wey me wan ask you, answer this question. Is wetin Cross talk? Wetin Cross talk? Cross say one girl say accuse you say you collect €100. How true is that? Tell us that one.
Okay, Baba, if anybody dey like that, may they go bring the girl, make the girl open camera. Then if the girl really talk and say She send 100 euro come for me. I know you do anything. I go so I know juju I go carry come TikTok.
Shut up, P.
No be show
because
juju.
that's
Don't
just
show person money. They talk ojuju
I not
ojuju.
get me experience.
Cross. You see what this guy talk now, eh? You get your evidence. Say where evidence will you get? Show us evidence.
If I give, I dey come and share and give the lady make come.
Share and give the lady.
But the person no fit open camera o.
Don't please. Là où éduquer arrêt Thomas qui caméra.
If I know the person who dey talk so the
Who
guy.
na the hide? No, where they expose person. Who na they expose the show camera? Who na where they expose person they hide? Make case that there. E case say wa bugu mena.
If I eke saze oje na hina oje
Case
ni.
say na him. Oji ke camera wa beg yen. O when wa ya screenshot yen. Wa ni mo we case re. Wa le ye koko. Me ma beg wa. Me ma ni me gugu wa.
Oje mi na hina no wen. Oje
So ma
mi.
joji, o ma vi evidence re. Nothing. Oga we ke camera bana. We will show the evidence dioma. Ge no we you know ya te. You know where ya go be cut ya. You know where ya go be cut ya. You know where ya go. Oh, when the OG or show face again make the whole world. When not too much late.
If I otie mumu update no.
I want to more there. Hey, ya
Away
zuo
from
e
this
bu
student.
this. Hey, ya zuo be gbani. Hey, ya zuo. Bros, me na ya weni. Weti ohwo ni re, weti ohwo ni. Weti no hore na scam me ni go weti ere.
Ni share egi na.
Ajila la mi amugbe nínú oku. Iwa amugugu meku ya.
Off your camera, your face dey irritate us.
But eti open a camera. I have for like a camera now.
Pameti open a camera wa isen.
Off your camera, your face dey irritate us.
Probably say open camera. See your beard not the white. Ya share it. Ya share
I don't
it.
say to the people, Papa, you dey mad. You don't see them picking soft.
We never nobody don't insult you for years since so you dey insult.
Wait, no insult them. Wait, President, you dey sell coin, TikTok coin.
I mean, just I know they say, see, I'm one of them. So now they share the live video. So this one, so King and enemy B. That one, you. Information reaching me, eh?
Many people know this guy.
I do not. Una dey blackmail this boy. Una dey blackmail this person.
They blackmail me.
Blackmail you as how you be. Who you be when one blackmail you?
Okay. May you open your camera.
Who you be when one blackmail you?
They ask how money when they blackmail.
I tell you, we ask you money. They say you sell coins of person.
Wait, more bring on that extra person come make cut off for this matter. I beg. All of now wait dey here now. May one person cut off for this matter. Apart from me, may one person cut off for this matter. I beg, mom. If you know say you dey here, you dey yes what you dey talk now. I beg, send me request. May you talk for this matter. If you know say be responsible person where you fit talk for matter. I beg, send request.
Responsible person.
Please send request. Please send request. I need a responsible person to send request. Mona talk for this issue. You may make one there. We accuse on many ladies, on Malay, and then they let these kind of people where they fit come and they accuse them.
They had.
Okay, I tell you wait there. See you get 1,000 plus followers, 1,800 followers. You not feel put camera, my brother. That kind of thing makes sense.
That will not be.
Bro, may I tell you why? May I tell you why they open camera before? When you do that thing before, you go private to your account.
You know this boy talk. He say now not be reface. Imagine, Larry. Now not be reface, Larry. You say I don't hear. We talk again.
That will not be reface.
Okay, not be which face be that one?
That one a carouette.
AI face be that.
Where?
I will carry wet your papa.
Wait.
Cross. Egbe mata we bugi me. Cross. We no wa gi me wa egbe mata dana. Cross. We no wa egbe mata dana gu me. Mate odero. E we bugi me. E mate odero. Cross. If
I mati odre euro, be no ke fi o wa.
E mate odero never evidence.
Me you no bang. I will jack goje ni.
Cross who make be? Walk be me cross. Walk be me. E boy no pa we mure. Ani, owe ri face oge.
O mare ne we no do gun.
TikTok abia.
Baba,
I greet you. What? I do. I bet wetin dey happen so you dey see wetin dey happen so.
Who who bring matter come, may bring evidence, and who they accuse don't come and say you were accused
My
person
guy, we
don't
know how
come
they
out.
hear you. Me your fair mute. We dey hear you.
Wait, may talk come out. Not insult him, not insult him, I beg. Talk like the man, I ain't to see.
You dey hear me now?
Yeah, with the year now.
Person when they accuse don't come outside. You will accuse
On your
person.
camera, you
bring
where they
proof.
talk, on your camera.
You bring
Is that allow it?
bring proof.
Wake your where? You open your. Now you dey come up. Mute
You
yourself.
bring proof.
No, TikTok FBI, on your camera.
Don't please see. I think we lie on but a gift where you block. Yeah, guys, when we are tell we are doing matter. They want like.
Okay, I tell my lion now.
We want pause. When they lie you way. They lie you way. They lie you.
We're not married, right?
Now we are.
No, we are more lion now. What there you are?
You where they buy chop, never keep person lie yo.
Shut up your mouth. Agua like. Good winning. TikTok, I bet, talk to her. Guya.
Okay, nah, the guy don't there now. This got soon not
See you nowhere.
okay. Mona too, okay. You say it is give of fake coin. You come outside and bring your proof. The guy open
The person when I say
camera.
when I
Then
call
you
the
open your
girl.
own.
My guy, before you talk for this matter, on your camera.
Okay, you wait, go accuse person. Why you know on your own? FA, we can Tori, me ma we cross me. We must no boy matter na. It's as I allow it, Befi. Tori wa, we must no boy matter na. It's cross me, me ma we.
The prince, maybe they be friends. The one that take
They
accuse.
just the cross. Not go they follow that they jolly this guy. Oh. This guy a big boy. Leave this boy alone. When I leave that boy alone, that boy a big boy. Everybody gets swag for this world. That boy also get your swag. Wasi I know enjoy life here. Na fine boy. When I leave her. Cross. One go they follow that they do this guy to you. You be big boy cross. Cross. We're going meta.
If I do, you are the year you are.
All they follow that they do all those charlatans. I will be see who that one made me drop. You who be that one? Only no fair. Who you be? You wait off your put your face. Me they talk, you they talk. What no? You know the TikTok FBI. You know they talk to you, so now everybody that they talk to anyhow. Person when they accuse, they show his face, they tell you, say, okay, bring the accuser. That's why I say I didn't see. Wow, that will not be reface. A reface of that boy. A reface of that boy. I will not be reface. Oh, no. Your original face. I'm on my face, where? I'm on your way. I'm on no more than the way. For you to do this, not be reface. Every time you talk that lie. I can never believe.
Don't please, you know what? They jealous my hamsterness, you know.
Just
They want us to use
people
people to do the thing. So I'm gonna carry on.
Bros, I beg, let me want tell you. If you know say you they do anything scam, I beg, come on.
Baba, me I be working class. Me I not get time for all this kind of level. As I tell explain the matter, now so it happen. You get me, Baba. Now so you stay happen.
All those
So,
kind of matter.
Baba, wait.
10 million, at the time, 20 million, 30 million a year, 40 million.
Baba,
50
we na.
No, those one they work out for this TikTok. They scam people, bro.
But you don't get evidence.
Okay.
You don't get
people-
evidence. If you go
three people don't clap up.
video no
Three
agreement you pass. Video,
Bro.
the gate where they unlock you put. The gate go there far. Where's the
Bro,
video?
3 people don't clap
You
up now. 3 people don't clap up now. The same matter.
They don't they jealous the boy. Forget what they talk. They jealous the boy. They don't get evidence. Nothing. Say my help you. Toto Yagaji. Wait up you Agbona. Wait up you Agbona. You just
Don't
go
push.
Toto Yagaji.
Don't
You
push.
go nowhere.
The prince up. The prince up.
Yeah, but no river. If you call yourself person here, they go come make everything worse.
No, up.
The insult you call yourself to go make everything worse to.
No, you know insult you, bro.
Because they talk about me the security to me go jam them for FIP. So they go come mama tapu for garden, Vicky, blah blah blah. Now I say, wait, I call you do again, I call the list. Now I say, this Natasha.
Sorry to cut you short to. This Presido, so now your godfather.
Yes, I'm my godfather now. Yeah.
Okay.
So now your president matter for come now inside this process. So now, I consider Natasha they always they keep people. See, they talk say if you be that man do my come here, I'll come down. get one guy called Kata. If you be that man, my guy call that all they talk like which I don't know. I will like what be all this one said. They all the toto cross the top for that I call a third live video. Cross say waiting cross up before I call. Me and I be just settle. We not get issues. Say and that girl will be dread. Now your cause problem between me and I girl. Me just glad that they sort of my platform. Me call it the blocker. You dey cause person enemy HIV. The person tell you me to stop. You know you still dey cause her. The person no cause you back. And I'm on top of my platform. And you say it cost me journal. Me no answer you because me no I don't really sabi all these people. I sabi their character. So the person block you now. They call the channel for me. Let me come enter the live video. Immediately I enter all the call conda. Now the girl call the ass cross. Call the ass them. Me I bring her cross. Cause say yes, carry me come. And they bring me come up. Me I cut the cross. But we don't first settle. Now you just want to drag us again. What be all these things? Cross cause okay. We are going no problem. Cross see for the matter. We call settle one. Cross cause no matter. Picture we will delete her. Everything go like that. I can't come out for the platform. Me and the girl call play after everything. The girl call the live video. Another day again, Sunday for here, Mother's Day. I see them for live video for there again. They still carry me put for ground. They still talk about me. Even cross they match my picture they do, but I don't call the man again. They still they talk about me. I didn't fight. I just see the script. So I said, waiting that happen. Now I click the live video. Now I call see they talk. I don't want to carry Wahala go. I feel go there now. The sort of say now problem on those stuff. Me I just say cross message since we no get issue na my person because be friend for TikTok now, right? But I also message me I tell her say I not like what you dey do. Me and you no get anything together because me and I dey always dey play my boyfriend, my girlfriend, all those kind play. I love
So you
all
are
those things.
cross on the play
We
well
just dey
before.
play all those kind play like that. I will just dey play with the Natasha boyfriend. Have fun now. Come link me and cross together. We just use our laugh. Natasha boyfriend says I cross and fake a cat now. Say I know nah the joke now play with it. Like that. So the code they use the matter they do topic for Natasha platform. Natasha call they say no let them go they'll call the TC 12 now the way they did they'll go record people for fake account. I was like, no, that's something because TikTok people, fake account people. Like all of us here to play with them sometimes we dey play like that, you know. If they call me my sister. But at the end of the day, I just TikTok friendship and auto see all of us and say the same maybe tribe. You understand? So now cause okay, no wahala. Last me I saw you say cross message. Me so you let them know. Me and you don't get any business. So me don't call the face with the date or anything. So I not the one me that they drag my
But you get cross WhatsApp number.
no, we're not getting up, and I just TikTok friend play. Now even live video for the play, will not be say we dey chat for DMO. Live video like this. I feel live video, we all still call, say my baby, we all still play like that. We feel see jam for that Natasha platform, we all see joke, things like that. So now I call say cross that voice record. Say I beg me, I know they like all this kind of thing. I know they hear my name for all this kind of. I beg me, I no get business. If now so, I no go dey play with you again like that. No play with me again like that. Mona remove my name from my Natasha. They always do this every time. The kind people call me platform, they call my name. I don't know which kind of friendship with this one. If not so, she dey do her do. Me just constantly made Natasha for inside the voice record. The fact I just show word, give all of the auto to them. Like I not blame myself all this kind of stuff. But I not show direct insult straight. But I just like talk general. But now I face. So I was like, okay, go use the brain. Tell us, okay, don't do moon rest for this matter. Me and Nikki play, we do not get anything serious because no get issue again. He can't go the play because he don't play the record. This is I talk to Natasha. He want cause problem between me and Natasha. I don't know what they try. We can't go the play the record for the as it take the years. So now testing the record. Like I said, I dey watch it for FIP. When I click the live video, I don't want climb up. Me they not feel I want make problem. So I can't go a comments a DM. That is cross DM. Send a record direct. So this record cross don't plan finish because say Natasha need dey inside go plan for live video like this because he dey up like this. He come plan maybe he get two phone, get many phone. So Natasha now come here and Natasha call the verse. Me come the live video. Natasha help me, not grow up me. So now Presido call the before me come the live video, come in for the word for because Presido call tell cross say cross what you do so don't go. Person send you message for DM. You're not supposed to call the plan for this girl live video. You dey try one cause problem between Natasha and the Vicky when you know say they be friend. This is very bad. As a stand for you, as a guy with mature, supposed to freestyle, even though say this girl will talk to Natasha, your freestyle, you just tell them say don't do. But for you to call the plan, it's very wrong of you, you know. So now they call us to change for Presido, screenshot Presido. And that day they just screenshot Presido picture. And so the matter take consign Presido, they all put all of them
Okay,
go
so
mark.
this matter is but this one where they come to say Presido collect person 100 rule. Now
Like
lie
all those things, nothing like that happen. Now like this, it just they happen. Even the Natasha, look like this. So
So now lie
now
they
they
just put
just
for
they
Presido
like
body.
now they put all those one, they screenshot the picture, maybe they feel say maybe for example, Presido not there now. You be don't believe her now, you be the thing say maybe na so Presido do. If not be say she there now, maybe for the saga the Presido, this kind of stuff. That's what I think they do one. But normally the boy not get business with nobody. Even the Natasha and Presido friend, they be bestie, tight friend. You understand? I even know Natasha and the Presido before me know Presido. Now even the Natasha platform, me for no Presido, come become friends. You understand? So when I want write my exam, Presido still dey there for me as family. And that respect I still get for her. Me, I don't know Presido before, now true Natasha. So
Okay, me
Natasha
I
and
fit talk
Presido, they
now.
don't fair they play, they come. So me don't
Wait,
know
now
where
me go
they
talk.
cross. Me don't know where they cross for come inside. So if maybe you want call Natasha, they will bring Natasha.
This was Sasefe, you know her?
I don't know am o. Maybe na because na cross friend dey fight for cross. I don't know am. I don't know why they always dey curse your head, why they match my picture. I don't know wetin I follow am buy. Any Timothy put your paper for prison. I go remove her for the prison na. Now na cross say na him dey dey
Wetin your
number.
naked piece come for you? You know say your naked piece dey my phone.
Na you dey cry now. The naked piece
You
dey na
shut
my
up, you
naked piece dey your phone. Na you dey cry now.
Baba, may you mute all these small
Na my
boys.
naked piece dey your phone, but na you dey cry.
Now I want talk now. Cross, you
Go.
see everything where Vicky talk. Oh yeah, answer Vicky.
But my dey comment section.
No,
No,
not
wait,
take
Vicky, don't
comment
take comment
section.
section.
Stay here. You don't
Wait,
talk.
don't wait, don't date on me. Maybe they listen to you.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, talk.
That
Wait it.
day so.
Answer am.
That day so. When we dey talk for that get platform, we mention your name. How many times you say you dey FYP according to the way you talk?
But
Wetin
Natasha
we come dey
confirm am say una mention my name still.
you say we
Natasha
know.
talk am
Wait,
still.
ma, I tell
Yes,
you.
una mention my name. You ask me question.
Wait.
Yes, 2
No.
times. Emeke
No,
and
I
Vicky
tell you
una
say na
mention.
me. Wait, I tell you say na me mention your name. When e be say Aproko dey up that day, as you take flash your name for the comment section, na the Aproko talk say this girl don still come here, you no wan stay where this girl dey. Now he take come down. Everybody was like, who be the girl? Who be the girl? Because say me and you na friend. Now I take talk say na Vicky. The girl, so I no really get issue with you. Now only me want mention that your name. Say na Vicky. Wetin dey even dey sup Aproko? I call the talk say Aproko, wait. You dey get so now only that one be wetin happen that day. Now make me vex. Then you yourself now before me know all of them don drop come down for the boss. You dey get I can't like they say wetin dey sup. Me now I no fit follow them because na still my people. I don't fit follow them. I got to wait because I don't get issue with you. Now you take climb up, come begin to insult everybody wey dey there. Do you understand? As you dey insult everybody according to the way you talk, you see if I get issue with you, may I know they insult your people. You no get out to insult your people where you yourself no still react. You dey get na be wetin you still do me. Me and you na friend, but you dey insult people wey dey around me.
Don Prince, everything wey
If me
this
no
guy
come
dey
dey
talk
talk,
be lie.
wait.
I get the record.
Wait, I
I get the
Presido,
record.
wait. Presido,
my
wait.
brother, I'm not wait. Now they talk, they not to me. You give and tell me talk to you.
See, according to what you talk, you say if people with your friend why they call the HIV all those kind of things, you say you know they like that comment, say you know get out there they insult all those your people, may you know still talk put. As I say we be friends, may I forget about everything. Now me say okay, may you still try, may you still forget about all those things where we see they happen with all those people. They still be my friend, all those kind of things. You can say okay, but now try. But anytime when you take their platform, you they talk say that they sleep with married women, all those kind of things. The thing guy they do for my body. Then they call they voice me, they feel say na me they give you, na me they carry their, na me they fold their hand for where you dey. You they get so I no fit talk to you. You they from my back, go they insult them, all those kind of things. As you take climb up that day, you insult everybody. Do you know say as I did this platform, like, you send me that voice note. As I play the voice note, I don't know say I no mute. The first time as I play, I no mute. Definitely everybody go to hear that voice note when you send. As I play the first one, second one, as I can see all of the don't they like the bend nose. Now I say, what did happen? People now hear the voice note. They say they hear everything. Don't say they don't already hear everything. Now you play everything, finish. But they all hear and finish. Now I press it, now you can't enter inside. Say that voice note, say they are she well, say me myself. I not supposed to play that voice note. Now say I don't know, say I no mute to I don't know, say I no mute. Press go they insult me, say I fuck up. Now me I cause here. I can't take fuck up again. You say person na your goddaughter. You know if you tell her say that voice no say too harsh. If you want to talk to a person, maybe talk to only one person direct. Not be say you go all talk to everybody for inside the bus. People there will not see offend you. Because they trauma they give everybody. The way the person don't come to the talk, come like say you want call they join you, maybe you call they insult everybody for inside the bus. Now people come take power to come down. You dey get so go carry Presido picture. As you carry Presido picture, you still dey talk, say no level, say nothing dey happen. Anything wey wan happen, may happen. Say na you be Presido of TikTok. Now say na you be Presido of TikTok. Go ask the Vicky sef. We still dey beat her till today sef. Talk like say you. Now say okay, mo fair use you to show example. Before that lady come talk say, come even voice me say, he send you money, say you know, you block her, you know send her coin. Now me come say okay, that one still join. Now I come see add that one join her for Presido. Oh, Bro, now wetin happen dey make all these things take dey like this, so bro.
Aya bros, you dey hear me? He don't talk. You dey hear me? Because
Asara
some
na,
parts
Asara.
they when he not talk well. Me, I want talk am. Because first of all, not the lie again. Sorry, cross, not the lie again. Because not be small pikin. I don't know what I want do for you. The very first day, first of all, Natasha na my friend. No know how me and Natasha they know. Now Natasha
No be
platform
that
for
first
me.
day,
Wait
oh
first,
no.
now me I talk. Wait first.
Wait,
I want correct
talk.
on top because they lie for you and I don't like that. I be like small pikin for you. Because say person they will look now. This the day when I call Natasha platform now I for know you. Natasha, you don't know go for nobody. That day when you go there, you fair insult me. I not find you. No fair your fair leave that one. I dare FYP. Natasha call herself my friend. When I go bring una come up, una match my picture for una profile, una come Natasha platform, you go dey leave una mona dey talk other people with my picture. As if that is not even enough. Una will call Natasha platform, una will carry my matter put for ground, they discuss why. Me never all live video, they put Natasha platform, matter put for my platform, they talk. And secondly, Apoko when they talk about, you know when Ami and Apoko take get problem. We get our problem. Our saga, Apoko saga, na just with the grace and the queen love. You know concern una. This una pasha una they do. It's just different for that one. So you know go tell me say I start to the beat grace or me I start to the beat queen love. I know that yesterday when cool love on live video the saga me now. You will call tell me say if I want call saga cool love now, me I not call Apoko join when Apoko join the saga. What it concern me concern our friendship. Now my platform you can't they saw joy. Now make me they tell you, so now they saw my friend again. If you get problem with them, you sort it out. Okay, you say you they force my friend the okay boss. May tell Apoko sorry, may send a DM. Who does that? The boy na small pikin. I tell you say no. If they want to settle it, they meet for platform, they go tell each other sorry. Boss, okay, boss, not send anybody message because no first person to tell person sorry. And waiting I tell you that day. So everything we all they narrate for you, so now choose on a lie. I don't get the time when I come on the platform, come they insult everybody. Never. I only come when I even come, all of them come down that first day. Now 2 times this thing happen. Talk and way. The first day all of them come down. Now only you day up. Now you will say me Natasha carry me come up. Because Natasha take permission from me una. So the moment I come up, me and you play. I know insult you, you know insult me. We play. I will tell you sorry. You understand? We not quarrel that day. So now that day now you come say, okay, since we wait first wait. Since we don't settle, make make boss okay boss. May still try settle with Apoko. Now wait till you talk that day. Now I can say if they go settle, no problem. Me not can talk. You can say make okay boss go DM Apoko. Now I say no, they not go down like that. If they see for platform, they tell each other sorry if it did their mind. Now waiting me talk. That one come finish. The second day go na still be my matter come. Not be one that they talk my matter. I will not come send you message. Not be talk na talk. Christian when make me come go DM you. Tell you how far. I don't want to hear my matter. Play the record for you. Me the hear. As I don't want to hear my matter again. When I not talk my matter. I not the date. I not get someone say can doing this. You not dey both to show your face. So one day easy they do. They carry rag. Now waiting I tell you. Now I tell you so for that Natasha I not blame her. When go carry on come my platform me they insult me. Finish. So which one can be say you dey turn the talk upside down? I not get me. I get see nobody go fit stop me. I not beat Apoko that Apoko if I want beat. I'm not they do nothing. No,
Wait, let me ask you question. Let me ask you question.
Who be this one? Self. Why for fake account they make man still dey okay?
Wait, Cross, wait first. Vicky, wait. This boy Usas. Waiting concern you concern Vicky.
I don't know. I know why even talk to her. I don't know. I know.
Wetin concern me with Vicky, e get one.
Bros, I want calm down mode. Don't want me concern me. I don't talk and finish. I want calm down. I don't know this illiterate.
This okay boy with this one way they talk just now with Joy. You understand me? They want black, they want small girl when they UK. You get one boy when they call am billion, when we say he no get help one certain time. When we say the boy lost us. When no get control that boy, when we say that boy call the fire to put that boy so. Now those people now carry that person go one platform, they go carry the girl go one platform. They want go blackmail the girl, make the girl go pay 2,000 euro. You understand me?
Where did the girl want pay 2,000 euro for?
You get one boy when they call am billion.
Oh, shut up your mouth. All those things don't happen. Shut up your mouth. Why you dey lie? What's the worry you? Why you dey lie for that boy head? You not talk like that. They may pay 2,000 euro. Shut up your mouth. Why you dey lie?
If that billion come here now. Me I tell you something.
You too dey lie. If they bridge you do come on, this
Okay, boss. You know about the matter when they talk so.
I know about the matter.
You say?
I know about the matter, but the boy not talk say me bring 2,000 euro come out. Their nakedness, that girl nakedness not come out. If the nakedness come out now, make them bring her come out. Why not they lie?
But he there with that boy. He there with the boy.
He there with the
bro. Okay, as Grace they talk and say she get the nakedness.
Wait, that boy video that day be not video the girl.
The boy
The
video
boy,
abi no video.
bro, me I tell you one something. The boy no still talk. Say me made the girl come pay am 2,000 euro.
Wait, the
That one
boy
I
video
lie.
the girl.
Then
Abi
I
no
shut up.
video
Then I
the
let me
Video
talk
the
you.
girl abi no do am.
Wait, one by one. Wait, Mona, wait. Make this boy fair talk. Osas, now you talk. Now after Osas, okay.
Wetin make me get problem? Even this boy wey picture see dey my profile so, you understand me? Be like say dey support them. You understand me? That girl wey dey UK so you know say once man woman dey maybe you know that kind distant relationship, they come dey do camera down. This boy come video am, he wan come dey blackmail am. You understand me? He wan come dey blackmail that small girl so. That girl dey UK, the boy dey France. You no get don fit help the boy na billion. I fit put him picture here, you see am. You understand me? When be say the girl now come dey beg all those people, they come carry this girl go one platform with joy, that one get HIV with okay boy.
They say the boy still video in when they change pad.
Yes. I
How the
know.
boy take know Yahoo? How the boy take know Yahoo?
They no get cause he control am go.
He first stay in your own house now.
He first stay there now.
Wait till I call the boy billion.
Billion. Let me I put picture, make you see am. Wait, me I flash the boy picture. Wait. You know the boy now.
Now,
All those boys all those people wey dey support so they be black Jesus o. This talk so we match them o. You know fit know.
Oh, Osas, I dey believe on truth. I know they believe on false narrative or blackmailing.
see, no be woman dey write am so. They check wetin this woman dey write so. He know
You know
the
they
matter.
see the comment section.
If you dey use truth, they tell they do something with me, I'm happy. But if you dey blackmail people,
No.
lie. I
Me
don't like that one.
Wait
Bro, me
now.
wan
This
comot
boy
for
now,
here
we
o
don see say we
because
don
this
ask
was
this boy
start helping me
money.
here for fake accounts. I don't fit dey follow people make they no dey see their face dey
Hello,
talk.
bro. See they
You
hear
know
me?
understand?
My guy, make you quiet
I
your
no go
mouth,
fit.
guy.
Let you
Bros.
forget no what you know, even though they never show if we'll get
Don
evidence.
Prince, see they hear me, sir?
I
I
dey hear
don
you.
share and give the guy. They work. I don share and give. I say go come. Maybe go watch you listing. So anytime when you do the free, go come your platform. Come still talk you. So
Why
I
you
no go
not
use
share
one
and
match.
give the girl? Why you not share
I
and
don
give the
share
girl?
and give. I
Big
dey
screen, see
work
the
because
boy.
bro, see they
Now
hear
the boy
me.
be this one wey they call am
Wait
billion.
now, bro.
You
See
wait,
they hear me.
wait, Sas, wait.
I
Now
don
Why
they
you
share
not
and
share
give.
and give the girl?
I
Then
don
you
share.
wait, I'm gonna
The
wait.
girl no be my TikTok friend. Make you share and give the girl. No be my friend for TikTok.
Vicky, who you share and give?
The boy, the
The billion.
opinion when they talk about so.